All right, so this is an exam question which came in 2016. Circle theory. They have said in the diagram below, this diagram, A, B, C, D are points. So A, B, C, D are points on a circle. BD, I've written this because it's very important. BD is the diameter. So BD is the diameter of the circle. So BD, so this is our diameter. And they've given us that this angle here is 3 degrees. This one is 44. Then they say, find angle CBD. So C, B, and D. So how can we find this angle? Remember the properties we were looking at? We said angles coming from the same segment are equal. So if you have an angle like this, and there is an angle here, let me clean it up. We do it properly. I've made a mistake. So I'll write it here, up here. So if you have an angle like this, if you have a circle like this, there is a segment down here, and there is an angle which is somewhere here touching the circumference. Another angle comes like this. So this angle and this are equal because they are coming from the same segment over here. So these two are equal. So this is a property we're going to use for us to answer this, where we say this is a segment, an angle coming from this segment, and these are equal. So this will also be 33 degrees because they're coming from the same segment. So we can write here that this is equal to 33 degrees. We go to the next question where they want us to find angle ACD. So ACD, what property are we likely to use here? We are supposed to use the property of angle in a circumference formed from a diameter. So if you can see, this is a diameter, and there is an angle here which has been formed, this angle. So meaning here, it's 90 degrees. This is the 90 degrees. So if this is 90 degrees, and we want to find the angle which is ACD, meaning we want to find this angle, and we know that the total of this and this is 90 degrees. What are we supposed to do? We just say 90 degrees minus 42. So the answer we get here will be 48 degrees. So this is 48 degrees. We go to the next one where they want us to find angle AXB. So this is our X. They want us to find this angle over here. So how are we supposed to find the angle? So what we can do here is, let me write this properly so that it's visible. What we can do here, we can take advantage of the diameter here. We know that even this side is 90 degrees. So since we know that it's 90 degrees, we can find this angle by subtracting, by saying 90 minus 33, of which it will give us 57 degrees. So this angle here is the angle which is in here is 57 degrees. But we have been asked to find angle X there. So what can we do here? We need to find this angle. What is this angle? This angle can be found by using the property which says angles coming from the same segment are equal. So if you can see this segment over here, this chord, and the segment down here, there is an angle which has been formed here, okay, and another one like this. So this is 48 and this is also 48 degrees. So we can sum them up. So when sum them up, 48 plus 57, this will give us 10. So if we say 57 plus plus 48 degrees, it will give us 105. So 105, we'll come and say, since it's a triangle, we'll come and use property of a triangle, which says all these angles, when you sum them up, they're supposed to give you 180. We say minus 105. It will give us the triangle, the angle which is here. So what is the value? What value are we getting there? So when you do such a thing, we are getting our value to be equal to 75 degrees. So this is 75. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so, and invite or share my videos so that people can subscribe and like, as well as comment.